Hi guys. So I wanted to show you quickly how my scalp looks like, and well, today's my wash day and I want to wash my hair. Actually, I want to mask my hair before I wash it. So see, I've been oiling my scalp almost on a daily, and I wanted to show you how my scalp is reacting to this. Okay, look at this. Having lots and lots of buildup, and I think it's because of oiling my hair directly. Okay, so what I've been doing is I've been using my applicator bottle, which has amla oil, and I've been applying it directly on my scalp, and then I've been trying to massage it. And I realized there are places that I don't have buildup and there are places that I have buildup, and I feel like the places that have buildup is the places that I'm not really massaging in the oil that much, and that's why like I had to show you guys so that I can tell you when you're oiling your scalp, make sure that you're massaging your scalp completely, and also please try and avoid to use too much oil. So what I want to do right now is, okay guys, please forgive me for the background noises. I tried as much as possible to stay away from them, but I can't. So I hope you can hear me well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mask my hair, and I just made this hair mask using moringa and onions and garlic, ginger and amla. And if you're interested in this recipe for this hair mask, I'm going to link it at the top of your screen and also in the description box. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to mainly focus on my scalp because I have buildup, and that is why wow, just wow. So guys, I'm applying this hair mask directly to my scalp, and that's the only thing I'm doing. And then I'm going to stay on my steaming cup for a few minutes. I'm going to stay for like 20-15 minutes, and then I'm going to go and shampoo my hair. So I just applied the hair mask on my hair, and I focused it mainly on my scalp, and I'm doing this before I wash my hair. The thing I love about this mask is I always have that tingling sensation on my on my scalp, in a good way, not the tingling sensation that is bad. It's the sensation that you feel good, you feel so good, and it has that it brings out some sort of heat from my scalp. And also the onions and garlic and ginger, they all have antibacterial and antifungal properties, which I really need for my scalp, because I feel like with all that buildup, and also my scalp is really sensitive, I really need to make sure that I'm taking extra care for my scalp. And we also need that extra care for our scalp because we want to grow our hair. So I'm going to stay with this for only 20 to 30 minutes, and I can actually stay in my steaming cup for just 15 minutes. Let me sit here for a few minutes, and then I'll see you guys after I've washed my hair. And for those of you who don't know me, hi guys, hello, my name is Kimani Magi, and I make natural hair videos, and this is part of the hair growth series, which I started just the other day. This is the second episode, and I'd really love for you guys to join me in this journey. I'm challenging myself to grow my hair past a certain length, past my shoulder length, because that's where I've always been all my life, and I want to challenge myself. I want to grow my hair, and I'd really love for you guys to join me so that we can grow our hair together. And I'm going to be updating you on everything that I do so that we can do this together. So please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Now I'm done with washing my hair. What I did was I just rinsed out the hair mask, and I also shampooed my hair and then conditioned my hair. So while conditioning my hair, I made sure that I detangled my hair as much as I can. And now, after rinsing the conditioner out, I want to apply my deep conditioner. I'm using this one. This is a hair mayonnaise. I feel like it's really nice. Well, I really like it. And also I'm going to apply amla oil on my scalp so that I can deep condition with it. Yeah, so that's it. That's the only thing I'm going to be doing. And as you can see, my hair is still wet. I haven't dried it. I haven't done anything to it. So I just want to massage this amla oil on my scalp, and then I'm going to apply my deep conditioner. So this is the steaming cup that I'm using. I'm not sure if you can see it. Yeah, this is the steaming cup that I'm using, and honestly I really love how it makes my hair feels. It makes my hair to absorb every product that I'm putting on my hair. So for those of you who don't know, my hair is low porosity, and I need all the help that I can get to make my hair absorb product. And so the best way to make low porosity hair to absorb product is by using heat, and this steaming cup has really come in handy. It has really helped me. Yeah, and also my hair was brown in color. It had a really weird brownish color, and I thought that was my natural hair color. And all along I was just applying product on my hair, but it was not absorbing anything, and so my hair would stay like that. It would look so brown and so unhealthy. And since I started using a steaming cup, it became a game changer for my hair, and my hair is now black in color, and I just love it. Yeah, so make sure that you use a plastic bag if you don't have a steaming cup, or if you have a hooded dryer, then you can use that as well. Yeah, so let me just put this on. I'm going to stay in here for 40 minutes, and then I'm going to go and rinse out, then I start prepping my hair. So guys, I'm trying this new technique of drying my hair using a t-shirt and staying with a t-shirt for a little while. And I saw this online, and it actually helps your hair to dry out a lot quicker if you have low porosity hair. Mostly I used to blow dry my hair using the lowest setting, because my hair will take forever to dry. And honestly guys, this technique has made my hair to feel so soft, and my hair is feeling really moisturized, honestly guys, and I'm so glad I did this. So I'm going in with my amla oil, making sure that I apply my hair strand and also my scalp, and then I go in with my shea butter, which I focus mainly on the ends, and then I twist it. So that's all I'll be doing for the entire hair, and honestly the twist came out really juicy, really soft, and even right now it's actually day 3 and my hair is still soft which is so amazing. And yeah, this is the final product. This is how my twists look. They look so juicy and moisturized, and I hope you get to try this one out. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next episode. Bye.